Okay, so in this video we're going to revise some reactions of alkenes. If you remember, here's an alkene molecule. It's actually ethene because it's got two carbons. And why is it an alkene? Maybe you can see the carbon-carbon double bonds. Okay, there's lots of them. Okay, so you should be familiar with this. The functional group of alkenes, the special thing about them is the carbon-carbon double bond. And how do alkenes react with other substances like chlorine or bromine? Well, we did see that they can do addition reactions. How is this possible? Well, if they have some energy, one of their double bonds, and it's quite hard, so they do need some energy, breaks open. If you have a look now, once that carbon bond has broken, each carbon atom has only made 1, 2, 3 covalent bonds. So there's room for another substance, another atom, another group to bond on to each carbon atom where the double bond used to be. So if we add bromine, one bromine atom adds on to here, one bromine atom adds on to the other carbon atom where the double bond used to be. Okay, so very important, alkenes do addition reactions. How does it happen? Double bond pops open with a bit of energy, and now other atoms or groups of atoms can add on, but very important to know, where do they add on? Where the double bond used to be. Okay, so what else could we possibly add on to alkenes? We could possibly add on hydrogen molecules. So what happens? Exactly the same thing. What happens? The double bond pops open with a bit of energy. One hydrogen adds on to one carbon. The other hydrogen adds on to the other carbon. And what have you made now? You have made an alkane, because there's no carbon-carbon double bond anymore. Okay, so what else can you possibly add on to alkenes? Well, this is supposed to be a water molecule, H2O. So what do we always happen? What always happens when our alkenes react? One of the carbon bonds opens up, and this time my water molecule breaks. A hydrogen adds on to one of the carbon atoms, and the remaining OH adds on to the other carbon atom where the carbon-carbon double bond used to be. So what have we made this time? We have changed alkene into a new functional group. Molecules with OH are called alcohols. So this molecule is ethanol because it's got two carbons. Alcohol, OH, ethanol.